Hello everyone, this is Akang Suman here. Now we are going to discuss rotary IC engine, or you can say Gnome engine. Basically, it is the inversion of the single slider crank mechanisms. When you fix different links, you will get the different mechanisms. So if you fix the crank, you will get the two mechanisms. First would be Whitworth's quick return motion mechanisms, and the second is rotary IC engine. So we are going to discuss the second part, that is rotary IC engine, or you can say this is Gnome engine. Okay. Now see the construction. What is in the diagram? It is given that there is a crank. You can see here, this is basically a crank, okay, which is going to be fixed. This crank is fixed, and in all the pistons are connected to this crank you by connecting rod. So basically in the green color you can see this is the connecting rod. Okay, so this is basically a connecting rod, and this is our piston. Okay, now when the combustion take place inside the cylinder, like that, when the combustion take place, the force will be applied, input force will be on the piston. Okay, and this force is transmitted to the connecting rod. Okay, so cylinder going to rotate it, that means piston and the connecting rod both are in rotation. Okay, both are in rotation, so I can say that cylinder block is going to be rotated. So that is the basically output you will get. But in general engine, generally we use the one piston and the one connecting rod. Basically, since in the Gnome engine you can see here a number of piston or number of connecting rods are there, so the force generated on the piston, that would be much higher than as compared to normal engine. So basically Gnome engine is high power engine. High power engine because combustion take place in large amount. High power engine. Okay, so what I'm going to say again, I'm going to repeat it, that when combustion take place inside the engine, when combustion take place inside the engine, when combustion take place inside a engine, what will happen? Input force will be applied on the piston. So I can write here input force on piston. Okay, and this force is transmitted to the connecting rod. Okay, and piston and connecting rod both will start rotation. Piston plus connecting rod will start rotating. Okay, so I can say as a output, I can say that cylinder block, or you can say engine cylinder block rotating. Okay, so this is basically the concept of the Gnome engine.